So yeah, I'll show you how I did it. Basically, let's see. I got 2 of these 5/8 by 6. Got the hex bolts to fit each of them, and I put them right here and right here, and basically I just stuck it right there, put the hex bolt on it right there, got a ratchet and a wrench, and just wrenched it. I rotated it on all the sides. On this side, I would torque it on both of them, and then move it, then untorque it, then move it, and then it finally popped out. It's actually stupid. Like, I was so mad at this truck. The previous owner apparently did not change their rotors ever. Cause I mean, come on now. Like, these rotors are like 5 years old, if we're being honest here. I mean, bro, come on. And I couldn't really tell they were bad until I heard like noises, like bad noises. And from this side, it didn't look too bad. But then when I started feeling back here, and I was like, ooh, those need to be changed. Pretty much all my rotors need to be changed. The only one that doesn't really need to is the back, but I'm still gonna change it anyways. Probably not today, but because it's not important, as important. But yeah, we're gonna get the calipers on and brake pads and put the tires back on and call it a day, because I've been working on this truck for way too long, bro, I'm telling you. So yeah, I'll have some footage of me doing the brakes and rotors.